In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to read ETrade charts step by step. Let's start by getting the chart on your screen. After you log into your ETrade account, type the stock's ticker in the search bar and open its quote page. From there, click on Chart. This pulls up the interactive view where all your analysis will happen. Next, switch the display to candlesticks. In the Chart Settings or Style menu, choose the Candlestick option. Candlesticks are the standard for technical analysis because they compress a lot of information into a single bar. The opening price, the highest and lowest prices reached, and the closing price. This format makes it much easier to see momentum and turning points at a glance. Now choose a time frame. Think of this as how zoomed in you are on price. Daily, labeled 1D, is the best place for beginners because it smooths out a lot of noise. If you want to watch movement within the same day, pick 1H for an intraday read. To step back and see the bigger picture, switch to 1W to view the long-term trend. Start with the daily chart so you can build a solid baseline. Before touching anything else, read the trend. Ask yourself one simple question. Is price moving up, moving down, or going sideways? On an uptrend, you'll notice higher highs and higher lows. A downtrend shows lower highs and lower lows. If price keeps bouncing in a range, it's sideways. Getting the direction right first frames every other decision you make and keeps you from fighting the market's dominant move. With the trend in mind, read the candles themselves. A green candle means the price closed higher than it opened. A red candle means it closed lower. The body of the candle shows how strong the move was. Big bodies signal conviction and strong momentum. Small bodies indicate hesitation or balance between buyers and sellers. The thin lines, or wicks, reflect the extremes reached during that period, giving you context on rejection or follow-through. Finally, add volume using the bars at the bottom of the chart. Volume tells you how much participation there was behind each move. High volume adds credibility. Strong buying on rising prices or strong selling on declining prices. Low volume suggests a move may be fragile or easily reversed. When in doubt, let volume confirm what you see in price. Put it all together. Open the chart, switch to candlesticks, set the time frame, determine the trend, read the candles, and check volume for confirmation. That simple sequence builds a clear, repeatable way to read ETrade charts with confidence.